So this Saturday, going to straighten up the steering a bit. Notice, remember that wheel's pointing in a bit. That one's straight, so this is a bit of toe in here. Got to take this track rod end off, adjust it, get the wheels the same. Piece of cake. You come to help. You helping? Bye. That's a bit of black paint on there, just a bit of satin black slopped on top of the rust treatment. Most of this is all going to be hidden under the bodywork, and it tidies it up a bit, as you can see what you've done. Okay, that's a wheel off. There we go. Split rim. And that's the two halves of your wheel. These bits go around the valve. This one's full of water anyway, and it bolts back together. They should clean up nicely.